Well, hey everybody, I like showing you different and fun pizzas, and today's no different. Today we're making a barbecue chicken pizza, and to start off with, instead of putting tomato sauce down, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with some barbecue sauce. Because, you know, I like to give you different and unique pizzas, and this is one of my favorite ones, so they will show it to you guys and see what you think of it. So, get your sauce down, spread around. Oh yeah, looking good. And pretty easy. Nothing too fancy, just a nice light layer will do ya. Perfect. Alright, and today on our pizza, as you saw from the pictures earlier, we're doing tomato, onion, garlic, and black olives. And the first one, I'm going to start off with our tomato. Here we go. I really like saying to go pretty heavy on the tomato with this, just cause, well, barbecue sauce really is mostly tomato sauce, but you know, it's just that typical thing that you're used to. You're used to tomatoes on your pizza. And for some reason, whenever you try switching it up, it always makes it great being able to have that tomato there, all that tomato flavor. Excellent. Let's see, let's go with our garlic. It's our next topping. Good fresh garlic is always preferred. If you don't have the fresh garlic, you know, some dried garlic works just fine. Even those you know, like canned garlic that you find in water solution, those even are actually pretty good nowadays. So just a little garlic on there. Guess we can get all of it. Little bit of onion. It's always a great compliment to the chicken, and all the sweetness and saltiness of it really brings out some of those flavors. Alright, that's a good amount. And the black olives, you know, obviously if you're not a fan of black olives, then, you know, you can leave them off. One topping that I love to put on this pizza that I don't have today is bacon. And I know bacon's kind of a cheat code as far as cooking goes, but yep, no bacon on today's chicken pizza, barbecue chicken pizza. But if you have it, I suggest you use it. It is awesome. You can also throw, if you're into spice, you can throw some, I don't know, jalapenos or green chili on here. That is awesome as well. And now we got our chicken. I grilled up a big old chicken breast yesterday, and so that's nice big old chunks of chicken here I'm gonna throw on this beautiful pizza. Probably should have broken these up a little bit more. Actually, I'm going to do that. I'm just going to shred it mid-scene. These are just a little too big. Kind of want, you know, want it spread out. Ideally, you want a little bit of goodies in every bite, but not too much, you know. So if you want the little bit of chicken in every bite with some barbecue sauce and onion and garlic and tomato, you want that all just to mix together really nice. Alright, and this is the breast of the chicken, but really whatever you prefer. I like the thigh meat a lot as well, but today we got the chicken breast. Okay, looking good so far. That works. Now final thing, just need some of our cheese on there, of course, to lock in all these wonderful flavors. And first, before I throw the cheese on, go ahead, put a little mixed dry herb on there. Why not? Have the fresh basil, but this pizza is real nice with a nice Italian seasoning mixture. And last but not least, of course, we got our cheese. Lock everything in. Alrighty. Now give me 1 second to spread this around, and I'll switch the scenes and we'll throw it in the oven. Alright, and here is the magic. Let's see if we can put it on our nice little pizza stone there. Nice and easy like. So we get a good even cook out of it. It's making sure it moves. What I do is want to put it down on the very back edge. Wait for it to stick a little bit. And then just guide the rest of it down. Perfect. Really helps when you know the size of it too. That's why I cut this to a very specific size, so I know it will be the exact size of my pizza stone. And alright, this beautiful pizza just finished up. Ended up having a pretty long cooking time on this. I probably just about hit 30 minutes. I'm not sure if that's just my oven's getting a little bit older and not getting as hot, or maybe there's just way too much moisture on it. But quite a bit of cooking time on it. Let's give her the old chopsies and see how she turned out. Chopping this bad. Alright. Getting really sloppy today chopping this. And one more chop. Alright, that works. Let's see if I can get one here. So, got a good crust out of it, you can tell. Still retains its shape. Nice and crunchy. A few too many toppings on it to show you the bottom, but I'll go ahead, take some close-up pictures on it, and enjoy, guys.